Hey guys, it's me Bella, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix your slime. This is how to fix your slime if it's hard or if it needs to be more stretchy. Depending on how old your slime is, it might not be able to work. So, let's get started. All you will need to fix this slime is some lotion. This is a type of lotion I use. Just squirt some into your slime. Then you will just need to knead it so it'll get in a good consistency. Now this is how it should turn out. It should be more stretchy, and now it shouldn't be hard. Like I said earlier in the video, depending on how old your slime is or how hard it is, it might not be able to work to make it good again. But hopefully it was able to work for you guys too. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Please comment down below if this video was helpful for you or if you need more help on it. Thanks for watching. Bye!